guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Today's video is actually part 2 of the live stream that I did yesterday. I wanted to finish up the cards that I got started on that live, and I ran out of time during the live. Mostly my fault. I take complete blame for it. I wound up doing too many other, I was keeping up with the chat, chatting with you guys. We had a game that I popped up there a few times kind of as just a filler at the beginning, but you guys liked it enough that I kept bringing it back. So if you haven't seen that video yet, you can check that out. There's a link down in the description. But I did finish putting the cards together today, and I got most of that recorded for you guys. And this is using the Simon Hurley's what's it called? He does so many cool things. This is using Big Hugs. It's using this one, and I just dropped, okay, not important what I dropped. Anyway, it's using this stamp and die set, and here are the completed cards, and then I'm going to show you how I did a couple of them. The third one I did off camera, but it's still basically using the same techniques. So here's one of them, and I will switch the camera around in just a sec. And here's the last one. I think these guys turned out super, super cute. They are all birthday cards, and I will be mailing those out to the winners from last night's live stream. So I think these all turned out super cute, but I did want to show you kind of how everything went together because I really only got the coloring done last night. So that finishes up these cards. I think that they are super, super cute. Yeah, and a lot of this was done, and all the design and what we were going to do was chosen by the folks during my live stream. I asked them, did you want to do the puppy? Did you want to do the kitty? Or did you want to do the panda? And yeah, they said they wanted them all, so that's what I did. That's also part of the reason why I didn't get finished last night. But that is totally fine. I love hanging out with my buddies during my live streams. I love playing with Simon Hurley and Spellbinders products. So I kind of threw all of that in together, and I think these turned out super cute. So here is the little pug, and we've got the little kitty, and we've got the little bear. And these are going to be mailed out to some of my crafty friends that were in the live stream on January the 30th, 2024. So you guys have a wonderful day. Be sure to check out the playlist down below to see more videos where I'm using some Spellbinders and Simon Hurley products. And I would love for you to come and hang out with us during one of our live streams where usually it's crafting related, but sometimes we do throw in some other things and we just have a good old time. You guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.